My name is David Anderson. I work in the Department of Infectious Disease Epidemiology at Imperial College in London. I'm going to quickly run through a mobile phone / web application that we've developed for collecting data variables from the field. It consists of two parts. Firstly, a mobile phone application that runs on either Android or iPhone OS. And secondly, a central web database that provides mapping tools and basic statistical analysis of the data that's coming in. And as in here, so for example, people collecting across the world can send their data centrally, and we can then filter the data. So this is the sort of generic framework. So we have the ability to register the phone app, and then once data is collected, data can be sent to a central web database, all from all handsets that are collecting data. And this data can be filtered based on whatever variables are collected. And we can also send data back from the central server to the phone, so that the filtered data can also be requested on the mobile phone. So this is just a basic flowchart for how the Android app works. So this allows the SQLite database internally is utilised, so a number of records can be collected. Each record, GPS location is assigned to the record, then a photo or a video can be attached. And then any standard text fields that you would normally get on a web form can be built into the EpiCollect application and assigned to each record. So once a number of records are collected, they can be synchronized with the central database. And because we're using SQLite on the phone, mobile data networks aren't actually necessary for the collection of data. So this is just displaying the map-based view on the phone, so you can either view all of the data that's been collected on the single handset or request data from the central database based on the variables you're collecting to be viewed. So each dot represents a point that's been sent back centrally to the phone, photos are attached and all of the data that's been sent. All the records are listed down the side. You can view who's collected the data, for example. You can filter based on groups of collectors. And then this is our filtering option. So down the side here are a number of graphical representations of very basic statistics. This part of the application allows you then to filter. So you may choose one variable range based on something that you've been collected, or a single value. So this, for example, once you choose how you wish to filter the data, then updates the points on the map. We also have a temporal view that allows data collected within specific time periods to be viewed. So we have both our spatial and temporal representations of the data. So the kind of projects that we're focused on are infectious disease epidemiology, but we've made the system generic. So any project that demands data variables to be collected can be, a version of the software can be produced for both the iPhone and for Android. We will shortly be releasing a generic website that allows an individual to come along who has a specific question or a specific project to build through a drag and drop form interface a form for the data that's to be collected. A database is generated that's stored using App Engine, so all of the data is stored on the cloud, and then they can just go away and simply start collecting the data for their specific project.